I cannot wait to tell you all about these lenses from the company CoFancy. They are really, really good, you guys. Hi everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. I really, really do appreciate it. I'm super excited to tell you about all of these new lenses that I got from the company CoFancy. I've talked about CoFancy here on my channel before. I will link my previous video in the description box down below, as well as a card right up above so you can check them out, get a little familiar with the company, and I'm gonna tell you about all of these lenses that I got from them. These lenses are the Matcha Green lenses, the Tangerine Brown lenses, the Ocean Blue lenses, the Aurora Violet Purple lenses, the Coffee Jelly Brown lenses, and the Icy Dark Gray. Here you are, and I hope you enjoy.
7 hours driving on the highway, far away, far away, far away. Every moment I was spending on regrets was such a waste, such a waste, such a waste. Looking on the city lights, flashing bright in my eyes. Look up to the sky and I got this relief inside, and there's no need to hide. I'm going all the way up, I'm going all the way up, I'm letting go in my heart, of everything that holds me down, no, no. And it's feeling like I'm in the groove, I can feel the love, oh yeah, it's all around me. Oh, I need to know how I can let go, not afraid to fall, and perish it behind me. Feeling like a stranger on a foreign land, far away, far away, far away. I could get along, could be a different man. Looking on the city lights, flashing bright in my eyes. Look up to the sky and I got this relief inside, and there's no need to hide. I'm going all the way up, I'm going all the way up, I'm letting go in my heart, of everything that holds me down, no, no. And it's feeling like I'm in the groove, I can feel the love, oh yeah, it's all around me. Oh, I need to know how I can let go, not afraid to fall, and perish it behind me. It's a clean slate, got a reason. The horizon is closer than it was. I will be there if you need me. I believe that we can grow. It's a clean slate, got a reason. The horizon is closer than it was. I will be there if you need me. I believe that we can grow.
Okay, let me know in the comment section down below which ones were your favorite. Of course, you all know I'm gonna tell you which ones were my favorite and show you up close shots, and some of them I'm going to include pictures. When I was doing this video, the sun was just setting, so the clips didn't come out all the way that I wanted them to, so that's when I included some pictures of how the lenses look up close, just so you all can get a realistic idea of how all these lenses look. I will highly suggest you also check out their website. They always have models on their website website that show how the lenses look, and they are pretty much accurate, the colors and the models that they have on their website and the pictures. So definitely check them out. Here is my coupon code. I will put it up on the screen right here. As I mentioned previously, I have worked with CoFancy before. I really like their lenses this time around. I feel like these lenses are more natural looking. I think you all will like most of these lenses from the Highlight Moment collection, which is for me one of my favorite collections because it's more natural, if you know what I mean. But I also like the few of the other ones in the different collections. Now let me tell you which ones I liked. The first pair that I liked was the Matcha Green lenses. As you can see from the up close shots and the pictures, the Matcha Green lenses are a nice shade of green. They're like a light green mixed with brown as well, and I think they look really pretty and natural on my eyes. I think they blend very well with my own light brown eyes. All of these lenses pretty much did, including the Aurora Violet Purple ones, which really surprised me because I also like those too. But these blended very well with my own light brownish eyes, and I think it's because of the way that the pattern of the lenses are. The lenses, the color is pretty much mostly towards the outer rim of the lenses, not so much toward the inner part where the pupil hole is. So I think that blend gives the lenses a more natural look. But if you don't have light brown eyes and you have like darker eyes, I'm not sure how these are gonna look on you. So I would highly suggest you check out their website just so you could see how they look on darker eyes. Most of the models on their website have darker eyes, just so you could see how those will look if you're interested in purchasing them. But let me move on to the next ones I like. I also love the Tangerine Brown and the Ocean Blue. The Tangerine Brown was a nice mixture of orange and brown. I think it came off a little bit more brown for me, but it was very pretty. The Ocean Blue, which are the ones that I'm wearing here, they are so nice. I'm not really a fan of blue lenses, as you all know, but these are really nice and they're really pretty. They're not too bright, they're not too opaque. I feel like they're subtle and natural enough, but will definitely give your eyes a pop of blue, of color, if you will, and they definitely do look like the sky and the ocean, if you will. I absolutely love them the most. I can't wait to take more pictures with them and see how they look like when it's more sunnier outside and everything like that. But even with artificial lighting, I think they look pretty. I think they look really nice. And surprisingly, I really like them behind the Matcha Green, of course. Let's talk about a few more that I did like. The next ones that I like were the Aurora Violet Purple, which is surprising. But those lenses, when I look at them up close, they didn't really look like they had too much purple in them. Only like a little bit of purple, mostly like a bluish gray. So I actually liked how they blended well with my eyes, as you can see from the up close shots and pictures. I think they blended very well with my eyes. So I was kind of surprised that they are called the Aurora Purple lenses, but they don't have too much purple in them. Like, they look natural enough. The pupil holes, as I mentioned, is very non-existent, if you will, but I think that makes the lenses show your own natural eyes more. So I like the way it mixed with my eyes, if you know what I mean. And even in room lighting, I didn't show it in this video because I had so many lenses to get through, but even with room lighting, I think that these look very natural. Pretty much all of these lenses look very natural. Let's move on to the ones I didn't like too much. The Coffee Jelly Brown and the Icy Dark Gray weren't my favorite two lenses too much, only because I think they look a little bit more on the darker side. When in room lighting, I think they look brighter, if you will, but with natural lighting, I didn't feel they were as bright as I wanted them to look, maybe. But you guys let me know, what do you think down below? Let me know also which ones are your favorite. I also want to talk about the packaging really quickly with CoFancy. Their packaging is super cute. Especially, do you see this one that looks like a milk carton? So cute and adorable. Also, the lens case that they sent me was so nice and unique. It's really pretty. It has like a nice magnetic clasp, and you just close it, open it, and there's the extra set of lens cases that I have since I had so many lenses to try. So they sent me a few of these. I think those are so pretty. And I love when brands customize their cases. I think that really adds to the brand. So I love that their cases are customized, which I think is really cute. And a lot of their packaging is very pretty, very cute, as you can see, and very different. And I absolutely love that. One other thing I want to mention that they sent me was this really cool one mold, one lens card. It came inside of the package that they sent me. It says, "Hi, I am the exclusive mold of the contact lens in your order." It says, "CoFancy insists on producing only one piece of contact lenses per mold. They're premium quality to ensure that each lens is super hypergenic and flawless, and so the rest of the molds of your lenses will be recycled into other plastic peripherals." I think this is really cool. It says one mold, hygienic and safe, comfortable to wear, and a precise, accurate degree. As you can see, I showed you guys up close here. I think that is really cool. It's one mold that's fit for perfection. I thought that was really nice because it shows that a company truly cares about your eyes and about the lenses that they are sending you. They want to make sure that they adhere to standards where the lenses are hygienic and safe, and I think that is so important, especially because, you know, you're putting lenses in your eyes, so you want to make sure that anything that you're putting in your eyes is very safe and good for you to use. So I thought that was really nice. Make sure you check out CoFancy's website. Thank you so much, CoFancy, for sponsoring this video. I really do appreciate it. I've absolutely loved working with your company. It's been fun, and the lenses that I've tried on, I really like this time around. Don't forget to check out CoFancy. Check out their website. I will link everything in the description box down below. And of course, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, and I really appreciate it. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news, me as well as my brand, The Luxe Princess, and live a fun and healthy lifestyle, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click that bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I upload Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. Thank you all so much for watching. Everything will be linked down below, and I will check you all out very soon. Bye guys.